This is a Eureka stand fan, but it will not start. So we'll check the power. Now we'll check the continuity of the fan circuit. So check the ohmmeter. So the ohmmeter, no reading. That means that the circuit is open. So we'll check for the circuit. We'll check for the fuse winding. We'll open the fan motor. Fan motor. Is the fuse. Winding fuse, thermal fuse rather. I will open the motor frame casing to open check the fuse, thermal fuse. I will going to replace the thermal fuse inside here. That is the thermal fuse which I will going to replace, but first I will check first the continuity of that thermal fuse. The ohmmeter test for the continuity of the thermal fuse has no reading. That means it is open. So I'm going to replace it with a new spare. The old or busted thermal fuse, no ohmmeter reading. The new thermal fuse is good. There is a continuity. It has a reading. This is the only thermal fuse available. It is bigger, but can still do its job. The fuse is already soldered on, so for the continuity of the circuit. Now we'll try to start. Yes, it's working. Now it's working. It's not running. Eureka stand fan. So the problem was the thermal fuse. It was already busted. Press the new one. Now it's okay. Thank you for watching.